Hey guys, Mike McFerrin here with Superior Industries, Conveyor Components Division. We're excited at the show here today to introduce the Capless CEMA Chevron Pulley design. As we talk about this, you've got to go back to the original introduction of the Chevron Pulley design back in 2008, where traditionally people would use a standard straight wing pulley, and some of the challenges with that were it had wing bending would be a challenge, and also sometimes it would trap material in there and damage a conveyor belt. So the original Chevron design incorporated the Chevron design to it. It increased resistance to wing bending, it deflected material better, it was easier on fasteners, easier on the belt splice, and it was quieter as well just because of the way it attacked the belt on the bias and loaded and supported the belt load. So in the Capless design, we were able to add to the performance parameters here by simplifying the design. Essentially what we were able to do is to eliminate the half round on the top, which allowed us to simplify the design and maintain a competitive cost position. We increased the beef on the wings. That increases the resistance to the wing bending, and in addition to that, also adds additional load support and can provide an increased rating on some pulley specifications. We're excited about introducing this new Capless design because you're going to get increased performance at about the same price. I want to thank you very much for allowing us the opportunity to introduce this to you. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to give us a call. We always look forward to finding a way to reduce your cost and improve your performance of your operation.